Hey, what's going on, you guys? Adam and I here. Today is our third day off, and we are going to hike at, I don't even remember, I think it's like Lower Bell Canyons via Lower Falls Trail. And yeah, and the reason why we're doing it is because it's nice and we're off. It's like 82 degrees, so it's getting warmer here in Utah. Say hi, Adam. Adam's driving my car. Shout out to Adam for driving my car and driving us, because sometimes I'm lazy. Okay, so we'll see you there.
Made it to the water reservoir, and now we're gonna continue on to see the waterfall. 2 miles, let's go. Cake. Y'all, we made it, and the views are 10 out of 10. We got that view down over there of Salt Lake City, or that's probably Sandy actually, and views of the waterfall. Cathy and I are gonna relax and have a snack and go back down so we can have some real food.
Hi. I almost died. It just reminds me of how much, what is it? I haven't worked out in a long time. I can't wait till the gym opens in our apartment. But yeah, we made it. A lot of rest, but it's okay.
Worth it?
Yes. Thumbs up.
You guys are in for a real treat, because not only did you get some hiking, but you're also gonna get some food in this video. We got the Habit Burger grill, because I was craving burgers, and it's reliable. Nothing too crazy. Just gonna take a bite out of my burger. It's the tempura jalapeno burger from the Habit Burger Grill. And here's the first impressions. It reminds me of like Crown Burger's jalapeno burger. Oh yeah, baby. Strawberry limeade. Very refreshing after a nice hike. Garlic herb fries. Never tried it before. Here's a first look. First impression. Zip it. Dip it real good. Sauce is good. Okay. Whoa. Sorry. Cathy spilled. I didn't get it on camera.
So I just got stuff from Amazon because I'm really into skincare lately. Just because I've been breaking out because I've been wearing a mask and goggles for work. So I feel like I've been breaking out, but like I just feel like as you get older, I'm like, okay, I value my skin. Or I bought these facial sheet masks that had really good reviews, and it's like, you know, like from Korea. So I was like, oh, that's cool, because you know, like there was like a time where it was really popular, like, oh, like having a skincare like plan, but obviously this is just a face sheet mask. So yeah, there's different kinds, one for like, you know, anti-aging, one for like pimples, like to help with pimples, one for moisturizing. And I got 16 for $10, which is awesome. And then I got this vitamin C. It's because it's from Teresa. Teresa was like, oh yeah, all you really need is like a cleanser and vitamin C. I forgot why she said vitamin C is good, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put vitamin C on my skin. And then I just got benzoyl peroxide, just because for pimples, so they could kill it real quick. So hopefully this will help, because it's like 10% benzo.
It's called Terminator.
No, but it has benzoyl peroxide.
I know.
But it's
called Terminator, so it better work.
Yeah, we'll see. Yep. And me and Adam are gonna try one. So we're gonna try the one with the pimple related. So it's the gold, brown. It's either gold, brown, or yellow. Adam, you choose one. No, the gold, brown. I think it's gold. Yeah, gold, brown, and orange.
Snail.
You want to try the snail?
I'll take the snail one.
That'd be funny. I'll do the gold. Here we are in our facial sheet mask. I don't know if we show this, but we decided I got the golden one. I chose the gold. I guess like there's different ones. I don't know. They're named different things. How about you, Anna? What'd you get?
Snail.
Is it made out of snails? We don't know because...
Slimy like a snail.
Yeah, maybe that's why they did that. Oh, there is snail in here.
What?
Snail secretions.
Oh, God.
I can't laugh.
Using the natural light from the window. We're looking good.
So our thoughts. I would say we just feel like we're fresh, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like it was nice because it was like cold and like you could feel the moisture like on your face.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Feels good.
Yes, it does.
And I think that's where we're going to end the vlog today, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.